To create a split screen effect in Premiere Pro, start by adding 2 video clips to your timeline stacked on top of each other. Select the top clip on the timeline and navigate to Effect Controls. Here, adjust the position values to move the top clip to the desired side of the screen. Now, let's ensure our subjects are centered. Head to the Effects panel and search for Crop. Apply the crop effect to your top video clip. In Effect Controls, adjust the left or right values to crop out unwanted parts of the video. Then, reposition the video using the position values. To adjust what's visible in the bottom clip, select it on the timeline and adjust its position in Effect Controls. If you want to add a line between the split screens, select the Pen tool from the toolbar. Click at the top and bottom of the split to create a line. In Effect Controls, ensure both fill and stroke are checked and set to the same color. You can adjust the thickness of the line by changing the stroke value. Finally, use the Selection tool to adjust the line's duration to match the video clips. And there you have it, a sleek split screen effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.